Hello everyone. I hope jotono kaham nong na. Tini kaisa important topic that is important Tripura current affairs tabuk nishimi January nishimi May jorati. So video kicha log ifo mano. That is why kicha patience nargi naidi je importance norok jotino importance ma tonghang norok screenshot rok budi eba note down khai narak di. Filal ang o jaga jesek jorati ang important feeling ka ang abano nargi rika. ठीक है. So let's begin. Who was elected as the chairman of newly constituted TTADC ni chairman katal saba. That is our Bhavaranjan Riyang. Mo bo constituency rong ni nainar di. He is from Damchora Jompi 1. Bujika. Aja ni bo constituency ni Bachamani bo winner. So this is important. Chairman sabo mo onka chini Bhavaranjan Riyang. उसके बाद CEM सब अपन फाइमानो एग्जाम सो रिसेंटली TTADC ने इलेक्शन खाबा सो द CEM हंका हंका इनका चिनी रोनेल देबर्मा ठीक है. उसके बाद व्हाट वाज द टोटल बजट outlay presented for the state for the financial year 2026-27 अब उनका बिनी correct answer option C. उसके बाद which state का entity recently partnered with the International Oncology Cancer Institute. Recently बहुत जगह Oncology Cancer Institute से नाम जाका बुझी क्या गंगा बोंगा चिने ILS hospital. Which of the following Tripura products officially received the prestigious geographical indication GI tag recent months. जैसे कि जोतो न साइमना trending को चली तोंग मनी जैसे नि त्रिपुरा निचे शारिंदा बो GI tag मान का GI tag ni full form का geographical indication बुझी क्या और GI tag नि GI नि importance तमो और GI नि importance का मोहाई जे काशा त्रिपुरा व चिनी त्रिपुरा हाव तम तमो important चिनी मुंग मान जाग नहीं जब माने तोंग बा globally जे माने बचिन त्रिपुरा चिनी मुंग मानो अमनो हिनो GI tag ठीक है. उसके बाद चलो next आंग फटफट पाई रियन ट्राई खाए ना. What is the primary objective of मुख्यमंत्री उन्नत गोधन प्रकल्प launched by the Tripura government? This is the answer का improvement of cattle breeds and livestock productivity. Next question का which sector received the highest allocation increase in the Tripura budget 2026-27 financial year of education and skill development. उसके बाद Tripura government allocated a dedicated fund in the 2026 budget for मुख्यमंत्री बाल्य विकास योजना. The very important schemes or schemes from Mutanardi Gangatama malnourished children under 6 years. Next question Gatama what is the targeted fiscal deficit percentage GSDP of Tripura for the financial year 2026? That is 2.97%. Under the updated 2026 state budget provision, how much monthly pension allocated to the senior citizens under the Tripura state pension scheme? This is 2000 ठीक है. अब करेंट अफेयर्स रख फाइने जे कोनो त्रिपुरा ने जे कोनो एग्जाम्स ने बगे वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चाहे वो त्रिपुरा पुलिस ने कांस्टेबल फनों दोंतंग त्रिपुरा पुलिस SI अंतंग TPSC ने फनों तंग TCS TPS जे फाइने बस कंग ने TPSC कंबाइंड्स ठीक है. उसके बाद जे हाई कोर्ट्स एवरी एग्जाम्स ने बगे मो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सो इट्स बेटर यू गाइस नोट इट डाउन ठीक है. अच्छा अंते और क्वेश्चंस पढ़ लिया बेटर नोरक হয়তো বা क्वेश्चन स्क्रीनशॉट फोन बुइना रख दी एबा नोट डाउन खाइना रखे चाओ आंगरो को একটা हाईलाइट खाइरका बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस डिस्ट्रिक्ट बो जगह मांका जे फर्स्ट क्वार्टर बुझी का गंगा दैट इज द वेस्ट त्रिपुरा. उसके बाद in March 2026 Tripura government launched the project Amar Tripura ठीक है. प्रोजेक्ट आमार त्रिपुरा का व्हाट डज द डिजिटल इनिशिएटिव ट्रैक गावनी डिजिटल इनिशिएटिव तमा डोर स्टेप डिलीवरी ऑफ 45 एसेंशियल गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेस नगो 45 टा नांगमानी गवर्नमेंट जे सर्विस अमो नगो रिनाय मोहाय समथिंग लाइक दैट. उसके बाद 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन तमें चकम त्रिपुरा IT and ITES policy 2026 what is the fiscal incentive offered the startups setting up the operations of the Agartala IT park को startup committee रोगनो बस जरूरत सब्सिडी रिजन नहीं मोहाइता ठीक है. सो 50% पावर सब्सिडी फॉर 3 years. Which tribal language of Tripura was officially integrated into the state's primary school curriculum as an optional medium of instruction in the February 2026 वो language no officially integrated खाइजा का बुझी का primary school रोगा that is our Kokborok language ठीक है. And the next question is Amar Sarkar the Amar Sarkar portal modified in April 2026 allows the citizens to what tamo access khairi o Amar Sarkar portal bujika register and track village level infrastructure grievances para biching rogo busuk joratei tamo development ng tongka oprogni track records narak na bagai je Amar Sarkar ni portal sanamjaka. This is very important, the scheme and the apps. What is the name of the new employment linked skill training scheme launched by the Chief Minister Manik Shah in April 2026 to dropout students rogni bagai tamo schemes to jaka naidi the Tripura Yuba Vikas Kushal Yojana. That is very important. Jara bus kango hoyto ba JRBT in interviews rog gana, that is bong ni bagai but this is very important question. ठीक है. अच्छा. In April 2026 trial runs for commercial cargo transit began between Agartala and which major seaport via the Maitri Setu bo district rogo naidi. I hope jotono motamoti saiman baina the Bangladesh ni bo port by bo connected nganga mo Chittagong port bujika. So earlier o Chittagong port ni bo mung tongmani Chattogram bujika. Chattogram is very important chini agi Tripura by princely state tongmani ba pore by Tripura chike rogbo side by side jesu jarati saiman ang kabar khayan. Next, the Prime Minister virtually inaugurated the newly modernized terminal building of which Tripura airport facility in early 2026. Okay, this is Chini Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport cargo terminal wing inaugurate khaijaka. Which railway station in Tripura is being transformed into a world class station under the Amrit Bharat station scheme May 2026. Ganga Badarghat railway station. Next, the Union Ministry of Home Affairs sanctioned the funds of February 2026 to set up a new integrated check post along the Tripura Bangladesh border in which location is namjaka, that is the Shabrum. Okay, very important question. With another question, this is very important. Uske baad Tripura's first formal multimodal logistic park MMLP construction site was finalized in March 2026 bojaga again Shabrum Afro Nongmani mo. Uske baad alongside Tripura Sharinda, this is very important question harito Tripura ni je Sharinda je GI tag man recently which traditional attire of Tripura was recommended for the geographical indication tag in May bobono recommend khaijaka, that is chini Rignai Risha. This is very proud moment for us. ठीक है. उसके बाद who from Tripura was conferred with the Padma Shri award in 2026 for their outstanding contribution of the tribal folk and art music. That is our Chittaranjan Debarma. Very important. Padma Shri man Khapiado. This is very important question. उसके बाद the famous Chodo Devta Bakharchi Puja saw the record influx of the domestic and international tourists in the first half of 2026. Where is the festival bojaga? This is Puraton Agartala ya fir old Agartala. In January 2026, the state government declared which of the following as the official state heritage tree of Tripura? This is very important question about. ठीक है. Guys, that is our Agor tree. So Saimana Zara current affairs puri tongnai Agor tree to chini state tree bo. Ada Agor tree chini state tree bo. Agor tree ni hoyto ba scientific name phai no Equiralia malacensis. ठीक है. काम के मुझे रोकना रख भाई. उसके बाद next question. The 44th Agartala book fair recently jeng mani taklai je mani aboni theme tam tong mani. This is building a drug free Shrestha Tripura. Tripura kaisa memorandum of understanding MOU बुझी का मेमो साइन खाई क्या बोजागा Tripura Forest Environment Improvement Project Phase 2 हिने नहीं बो बैंक बाय, that is Japan International Cooperation Agency by JICA जे साइमन होता बा लेम्बुसर और JICA project चली तो that is the aboni purpose. The next which sanctuary in Tripura was in the news in March 2026 for the successful captive breeding and release of the endangered Firis leaf monkey. I mean chaka je chini je state animal to ngade ba je Firis leaf monkey aboni bo jaga ta chaka sanctuary bo man hincho ga that is and chini sipai jola bo man to To boost queen pineapple exports, the state agriculture department established the first dedicated integrated cold chain and the processing hub in May. Bo jaga je chini pineapple ni export queen pineapple ni export no khaina bagi bo jaga hub sanam jaga that is ata Nalkata. Very important question. What is Tripura's rank in terms of certified organic rubber cultivation area in Tripura as MEO? And that is in the second position. The first position of the rubber ni cultivation Kerala. I hope all of you Simon na Saimia ke ba muito narde note down khaina rati. First inka chini Kerala, the second ganga sang Tripura. ठीक है. उसके बाद the Tripura Renewable Energy Agency TREDA announced the plan in April 2026 make which major tourist destination 100% solar powered. गंगा निर्महल water palace. बताओ पूरा solar power by अंगने. Next, who was sworn as the new Chief Justice of High Court? Very important. फाइने बस करने High Court ने exam ने point of view होती है जिसकी new Chief Justice of Tripura High Court साब that is our Justice Apres Kumar Singh. Bobo Fro appoint अंगज़ा गा March. In April 2026, which native athlete from Tripura won the gold medal in the National Arithmetic Gymnastics Champion held in New Delhi? That is Priyanka Dasgupta. ठीक है. The Tripura government announced a new cash incentive policy in February 2026 called Krirangan Utkarsh scheme. What is the maximum cash reward for the state athlete winning an Olympic gold? Jara Tripura athlete Olympic gold जीते नहीं बोंग ने बगी तामो. A scheme that is called the Krirangan Utkarsh scheme. बुसे ग्रांग रिजंग नहीं 2 कोटी. ठीक है. So आंगो वीडियो 33 questions नो काबार खाई क्या? ओलो तिकिचा सुजोक मांग खाके खाया ना. तब जोरा ने अभाव. So तब जोराते जे एक important current affairs खाई माने screenshot एबा note down खाई ना रखती. Very important current affairs फाइने दिनो top 100 काबार खाई रिवाना. So और बस कांगो उकलोगो तेबो important current affairs रख तोंको आंगोरा ताई कोनो discuss खाई लिया video बेले लोगों थांगो. ठीक है. So ज़्यादा खां कां काई like share and subscribe खाई रदी. Thank you.